More things the author has presented. That Margie, she was quite excited when she had gone through the book, yellowish color book, which Tommy was showing her. She was quite thrilled to see the books which Tommy, he got it from his attic. That it was the book of Tommy's grandfather. And both of them were thrilled. Both of them were excited. And they had an intense curiosity to know about the time of Tommy's grandfather's time or his forefather's time, when the students, how the students used to study in school, the big school buildings, the physical teachers, that means human beings. They used to interact face to face. The human teachers, they used to teach them. There were classrooms, there were classmates. They used to share their feelings during recess after dispersal. There was a shouting, the noise, which Margie at present she misses immensely. She misses immensely. She wants to go back to that time, millennium before or centuries before, when the human teachers, they used to teach the students in the classroom separate subjects, different topics, those were taught by the teachers. And in the end of the story, Margie, she becomes nostalgic. How come she knows about the academic system of the time? Through the book, that yellowish colored book. The pages have become yellow, old book. It was Tommy's forefather's book. Then they came to know about the teaching methodology of the time, and simultaneously they started realizing those days, that how carefree life, how happy life the students used to enjoy in the school during recess, after dispersal. Noise was also there, hustle and bustle in the school, teachers, interaction with the teachers. So that is why in the end of the story, Margie, when she takes her seat in front of that robot, electronic robot, she becomes nostalgic and emotional. She says that she is missing the classroom, she is missing the recess, she is missing the schoolmates, which she had not, or which she had never faced, never seen. But in spite of that, she takes herself to that imaginary land, that means her imaginary land, that means the realistic land. The realistic state, that means we are facing right now. We are witnessing. Because the plot is 22nd century. The author has taken us to 22nd century. So that is why author, he wants to say that once the time will come when there will be no human teachers, there will be no classroom, there will be no hustle and bustle or noise in the school, there will be no races, there will be no dispersal. And each and every student will find himself or herself very lonely, as if they are abandoned by the society. The author, he imagines this sort of things This is his imagination through the characters of Margie and the county inspector, Tommy. This is author's imagination. So he has presented the plot, he has presented the characters, he has presented the electronic gadgets with an outstanding and superb manner in the story. So this story, it comes under supernatural category, which takes us to the land of wonder or supernaturalism, and which takes us to that year, that means 22nd century, 2157, 21st May. The author, he is imagining, it is his imagination, that already we are passing through high-tech period. We are passing through technology. Many technical gadgets, electronic gadgets, those are used as the study materials. Online teaching, just now I am teaching you. You are listening to me online. So there will be time that will be beyond these things, which is beyond our imagination. We cannot imagine right now. We cannot imagine, but the author has presented his imagination or his imagery aspects through the stories. This message the author wants to convey to the readers through the characters of Margie, Tommy, and the county inspector. Mother is rational, mother is realistic character.